Yo, what's going on YouTube, Ninja Watchers? This is your boy Weaponry Fitness. So it's 2 a.m. I'm in Indianapolis, Indiana, and I am not sleeping, obviously. So I decided to make this video. Here is my truck. If you're just visiting this channel, I am a truck driver. Yes, I am. Don't hate. But I decided to make this video because I do get a lot of hate for what I do, and the purpose of my YouTube channel, it says in the title, Weaponry Fitness. Fitness, weapons. You put the two together and that's what you get. So the purpose of my channel is to encourage fitness, and you don't have to do it the way that I do it. I just do it because I think it's fun and exciting. So I put a bunch of clips together of my training and use epic music, and that evolves obviously into other things like stunts. Crap. So my battery just died, so I had to change it out. So we back. I don't know if this thing is focusing. The ISO is probably like freaking 1600, that's why. But where I left off, so the purpose of my channel is to encourage fitness in any way that you can, man. Just get up in the morning, do what I'm doing. I'm just walking around because I can't sleep. I've been my truck's been in the shop for a couple days, and there is nothing I could do besides edit videos and read. I don't do a whole lot of watching like TV shows and movies nowadays, man. I've just been focused on my grind. But that is the result of training so much, man. It just gives me so much focus in life, man. I'm not a youngster anymore. I can't be going out here doing dumb stuff. I'm trying to invest for the future, because it seems like I'm gonna be up and about in my 50s and 60s still doing this backflip stuff. So I might as well take care of my body, because I ain't trying to sit around having people pull me around. But anyway, yeah. So I practice all four, I would just call them the four horsemen of martial arts. I practice Korean, Brazilian, Japanese, and Chinese martial arts. So basically Kung Fu, Capoeira, Taekwondo, and what's the other one? I missed one. Oh, Ninjutsu. So I consider it hybrid martial arts because I mix the styles. So what you see in my videos is the movements. So I don't do a whole lot of combat, because like fighting and stuff, because I have no one to collab with, man. Nobody wants to come out and nobody wants to fight me, man. And I've challenged a bunch of people, man, relatives, friends, like just people around. A lot of people tell me, oh, why don't you go to a gym, man? I don't do that MMA stuff, man. I'm more into choreographed fights. I will spar, but I just, man, as you can see, I'm in a truck yard right now, so I don't have the consistency to be home every week, every day, like, you know, the average Joe. So it's been like that my whole entire life, man. So a lot of people ask me, do I train or do I teach? And the answer is I can, but I don't think anybody can do what I do, man. The stuff I do is dangerous, man. I get hurt all the time, and it's just gonna take me a while to really put together a format to teach people how to do what I do, because it's not safe. I don't use mats. I don't use fake weapons. All my weapons are real. Metal nunchucks, sharp swords, bow staffs. I'm having trouble finding the right bow staff, but I've even clocked myself in the head with a metal bow staff. But the reason why well, a lot of people don't know this, but I am freaking relentless, man. I don't make excuses. As you can see, I'm up at 2 o'clock right now making a dang video where most people are asleep. Thank God it's not too cold, but I just don't believe in safety nets, man. So if I practice with mats or foam swords or, you know, plastic swords, I take that energy out into the world. So if if you ever feel safe, then you're vulnerable. So I never feel safe around anybody. I'm always on guard, ready to fight all the time. I don't wear stupid Crocs. I always have kicking shoes on. But yeah, if I do teach, man, you better be on your shit, because it took me my entire life to get to where I'm at now. And yeah, let's see here, what else can I say? I don't know, man. If you guys got any questions, man, shoot me something in the comments, man, because I'm kind of making this video just out of the blue, man. I'm not even tired. I'll probably be up editing some more. I got a video on the way. It's gonna be called Warborn 3. Y'all better watch that video all the way through. Watch all my videos all the way through, man. There's a reason why I make those videos the way I make them, man. The stuff I do in those videos, man, ain't easy, man. I be out here grinding, man, real sore. So also, I don't lift weights or anything like that. Maybe like a couple times a year, but man, my lean body muscle comes from my training, basically jumping around in the woods like everybody thinks that I do, but really it's more than that, man. A lot of what I do is like Navy SEAL type of stuff. So if you can't do 50 push-ups, 50 sit-ups, I don't know how many pull-ups I can do, but I do a lot of muscle-ups because of trees I climb. I do climb a lot. I run a lot. So those swords I use are heavy, so just picture yourself just like carrying around a heavy pole and running through the woods with it, swinging it repeatedly. So that's kind of what the swords are like, except it takes a little bit of technique. But yeah, if you guys got any questions, man, shoot them in the comments, man. I'll make a video. And yeah, peace out.